How to count a boolean in group Spark data frame. I want to count how many of records are true in a column from a group Spark data frame, but I don't know how to do that in Python. For example, I have a data with a region, salary and is unemployed column, with this unemployed as a boolean. I want to see how many unemployed people in each region. I know we can do a filter and then groupie, but I want to generate two aggregation at the same time as below.
Probably the simplest solution is a plain cast, C style where true, 1, false, 0, with sum. A little bit more universal and idiomatic solution is case when, with count. But here it is clearly an overkill.
Isso,